Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video is a haul. Yes, I feel like I'm overdue for a haul. Summer is coming. I recently got a bunch of goodies from Fashion Nova. I realized that I have a striped issue happening right now. This is one of the pieces. It's a full-on jumpsuit, but yeah, I realized like after everything came, I was like, dang, you got a lot of stripes. But I love patterns and I think stripes are really in right now, so that's just what happens in life. Oh, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe to join this tribe, honey. It's litty McLit. I got quite a few items, so let's just get into this. First up, might as well do the item that's actually on my body currently. This is one of my faves. I'm probably gonna say that for so many of the items, but love this. It's super comfortable. It's got the cute off the shoulder vibes happening. We've got the little sleeve inserts, lots of stretch here in the arm area. A lot of room for boobie girls. I'm not a boobie girl, like I don't have a lot of boobs, but there's definitely a lot of room here in this area for those who are a little more endowed. There's very little stretch, like there is some, so that's good. It does have a nice shape and hug and curve to your body, but it's not like super duper stretchy. It's got the two slits on the side, which are cute because it helps the wind blow and flow to keep you nice and cool in the summertime when it's hot. Gotta love that. What else do I love about this? Oh, recently, if you follow me on Instagram, which you need to be because there I share with you guys things pretty much daily, but I was recently in Dubai, y'all. Oh my gosh, it was such a good trip. Comment below and let me know if you guys want me to do a detailed video on Dubai, if you guys are thinking about visiting there. I feel like I got a really good feel for what Dubai has to offer. So let me know if you guys want a video on that. But yeah, I recently wore this in Dubai. It was great. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already know that because you saw the pictures. Next up, we have this here denim jumpsuit. Wide leg, stretch, no bra gang if I really wanted to. Well, maybe not. Actually, I haven't tried it with no bra. Strapless bra gang or no bra, maybe, depending. I just love it. Pockets, guys, stretchy, wide leg, amazing fit. Like, this is a summer vibes for me. Like, I deep down inside I'm like, I really love 70s fashion, and that's why I'm so happy that wide legs, bell bottoms, high-waisted, all that good stuff is back, because I feel like that is where my heart truly lies. So yes, this jumpsuit is gonna get killed this summer. It's actually not just a summer piece. It's such an easy transitional piece for like different seasons because it is denim, but I can't wait to wear some denim on denim with that. Or, oh, guys, the fit is amazing. And I think the price point for this is amazing. 40 bucks and it's denim and it's pretty thick, you guys. Like, this was a steal, I felt. Next up, we've got another striped item. This is another jumpsuit. Like, obviously I'm obsessed with jumpsuits. I love coordinates and I love jumpsuits. Easy breezy, a full outfit in one. You just throw it on and go, especially in the summertime when you're on vacation or when you just want to get up and go and you want to just feel good, look cute, but not have to like really think or plan your outfit too much. Jumpsuits and matching sets are everything. So this one has lots of material here that gets tied around however you'd like. Wide leg, super comfy. This part has lots of stretch. The other part of it doesn't. It is accommodating for those of us with like thicker legs, fuller bumps, all of the above. If you're no bra gang, you can get those little, if you are a part of the bra gang, like you have to wear a bra, you can probably get those stickies to help hold you up. And then these are kind of wide-ish, I'd say, to give you decent coverage depending on how big your boobs are. But again, it's just, like the legs are really wide and flowy, so if you do have a little side boob showing, I feel like it could balance out, you know what I mean? One thing I don't like is that it does have these little like white shorts underneath them, which you can't see on camera right now because it's blown out. But yeah, I think it's kind of weird just because they're white, so they kind of show through. If you don't mind that, it's no big deal. I think I'm actually gonna cut mine out. I'd rather just not have that like line showing where the shorts end. Super comfy, great with heels, definitely long enough. Next up, Lord, another stripe piece. I told you guys, I know, I just went in on the stripes. I don't know what happened. I really don't. These are like a cute pair of pants, but for me they're like a pants skirt, you know? The vibes, like gives you all the flowy feelings of a skirt, but cuts down the middle to not chafe your thighs like a pant, you know? It's got the little wraparound front here, cropped length, so you really don't have to worry about it being too short to wear with heels. And you got lots of legs showing in the front and breeziness. And I love the colors, guys, because obviously those colors look good with mustard yellow, and you know mustard yellow is my shit. Next up, okay, this one's not a stripe. Hallelujah. These cargo pants. Let me tell you about these cargo pants. Like, I have been killing these. They're so, I have to get them in every color available. I'm going back because I need them. I need them. I need them in every color. They're so stretchy. Like, the stretch in them makes them hug your body right. Usually I can't wear these type of pants because they're usually poorly shaped. They squish in the bum area. The waist is too big, like all the things, and like you want them to fit like cute and kind of loose but still have like a feminine shape. These are all of the above. I think my only complaints about these, which again isn't even a huge complaint, is that they are a little bit short. Like, they're kind of cropped. If you're really short, you're fine. If you're above 5'7", they're a little bit cropped, but then they look super cute with a booty heel. So I don't know. And then it doesn't look bad either when you wear it with like running shoes or whatever, because you just kind of, you know, wear it up, pull it up, crop. But I'm in love with these. Like, I wore these in Dubai as well. We went on a desert safari. So girl, I'd be wearing these from the desert safari to the club. Who knew? You know what I mean? Because you can totally dress these up, but at the same time, like, they're legit for excursions. Like, these pockets hold you down. I have to get another color in these. Like, I absolutely love them. Next up, this doesn't count as stripe. There's only one stripe on this one. Another little jumpsuit, guys. This one's cute for like brunch, like a daytime event thing, evening, patio, something. I don't know. It's got the frills around the top, so that's definitely something I'm in love with. You guys know I love an off the shoulder vibe, but it comes with a cute high neck as well and a little keyhole detailing in the front. There is a lot of room I find in this around like the stomach area, so stomach boob area. So if you have a lot of boobs, this is gonna be great for you. To me, there's more room in the stomach than there is in the butt area. For me, it was a little bit tight on the bum, and the length for me is good with flats or a shorter heel. With this, I won't be wearing like a normal higher heel just because for me it was too short, but I love the entire jumpsuit. So I might even take out the inseam down here so I can wear it with a higher heel, but I'm all for the kitten heel these days, to be honest, guys, because like, I don't want my feet butting me anymore. Like, I'm done. Next up, we've got these flowy, again, another striped situation happening. But these are so comfortable. These are the kind of pants you wear when you want to be wearing sweatpants, but you kind of have to dress up. You know what I mean? Like, ultimate comfort. The waist fits so good. The legs are very nice and wide. Like, there's no discrimination on the thickums with these pants, because the leg is like nice and wide. It's great. And then the waist, a little snatcheroo. It came with a tie actually around the waist, which I did wear these in Dubai as well. You guys, I wore like all of these pieces when I went on my trip. So I can't lie, fast travel's got your back for vacations. Like, pretty much everything you need on vacation is like on there. And they're super long, so you can wear them with heels. Just one of my faves. Like, I'm in love with these. In love. They've got a little stretch too. Is that it? No. Whew. And last but not least, we've got this dress. It's got like, again, another stripe. I know, I can't help it. It's got a cute backless detailing, which you can actually still get away with a bra. Like, if you have a bra that's a close color, or I would even say like a black bra, you can totally get away with wearing this with a bra. It does have some padding in the boobie area already for you. It comes with this bodysuit situation underneath. For me, it was too short. Like, when I clip it, it's kind of like kind of tight under there. But to be honest, I was able to just wear it open. So I just leave this part open. So if you have, if you're like 5'7" and taller, you might go through that same same issue with that being a little bit tight. But overall, I just love the dress. It's got these super cute high slits. Perfect summertime vibes, y'all. Just summer vibes. Summer vibes. You know what I mean? Giving you all the feels. Perfect length. Because it has the big slits in it, you don't have to worry about the length of it being like too short or whatever. It'll look good with heels. And again, super comfortable. Comfortable. I have to say the theme for this haul was comfort. Like flowy, comfortable stripes, ready for vacay vibes. Like, yeah. Alright guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe, as well as turn on those post notifications so that you guys know when I upload a video. Okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste!
Whispered that she don't drink, said that she rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, but you